How does optional bodily injury relate to state minimum insurance requirements? When it comes to car insurance, many people wonder how optional bodily injury coverage fits into the bigger picture of state minimum insurance requirements. Let's break this down in simple terms. Bodily injury liability coverage is a key part of auto insurance. It helps pay for injuries to others if you cause an accident. Most states requiring drivers to have this coverage, and each state sets its own minimum limits. For example, in Massachusetts, the law requires a minimum of $20,000 for injuries to one person and $40,000 for injuries to multiple people in a single accident. This coverage is designed to help cover medical bills, lost wages, and even pain and suffering for anyone hurt in an accident you caused. Now, here's where optional bodily injury coverage comes into play. This type of coverage allows you to purchase limits that go beyond what the state requires. Why would you want to do this? Well, the minimum coverage might not be enough in a serious accident. If the costs exceed your coverage limits, you could be left paying out of pocket for the remaining expenses. Having optional bodily injury coverage can provide you with extra protection. It increases the amount available to cover injuries to others, which can be a lifesaver in costly situations. In practical terms, if you have more than the minimum coverage, you are better protected against financial loss if you are involved in a serious accident. It is generally a good idea to buy as much coverage as you can afford. The cost of adding optional bodily injury coverage is often a small part of your overall auto insurance premium. This means you can gain significant peace of mind without breaking the bank. In summary, understanding how optional bodily injury coverage relates to state minimum insurance requirements is essential for making informed decisions about your auto insurance. By choosing the right level of coverage, you can protect your financial well-being while also meeting state regulations. Always remember to review your options and consider your personal circumstances when selecting your auto insurance coverage.